Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Priority Health Insurance portal, member login guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Priority Health Insurance. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the member login page. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the provided field. Next, type your password in the password field. Double-check that you have entered your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. If you would like the system to remember your login details for future visits, you may select the Remember Me option. Once you've reviewed your information, click the Login button beneath the password field. If your login details are correct, you will be redirected to your member dashboard. If you encounter an error, ensure that your username and password are entered accurately. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password through the email associated with your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you can access your health insurance information and resources. Make sure to log out of the portal when you finish your session for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.